Hello everyone. I welcome you all in the next 3ds Max tutorial. So today's topic is material editor or material. Okay, what is material? Actually, material is you can say it's easily that like what we did in a previous time. Let's say this is a box and we can change the color like this. Okay, like this. Okay, but this is only for for the max viewport, that you can change the object color like this one, like this one. Okay, like this one. Okay, so these are coming with different object colors. Okay, this one, this one, this one. Okay, you can change them. Okay, this one you can change it to pick the color and assign them. So this is only for this viewport that you can change the color of the objects. Okay, but what is material? Material is the advanced way to apply color or textures. Textures mean you can apply, let's say it's a brick object, so you can apply the brick texture on it. This is a metal, so you can apply the metal object on it. This is a glass, so you can apply the glass on it. Okay, glass texture on it with the material. Okay, and you can change the color more advanced way. Okay, so what we can do right now, let's say we want to apply the material. Right now this is the only object color is applied here. As you can see, this is green, this is blue, and this is the yellow. So we have to apply the material color. So what we have to do, we can press to apply that, we can press the M on the keyboard. M. Okay, see, as soon as I press the M, it appears a box with a bunch of circles. Okay, and this is called the material editor. By the way, your material editor may be not like this. Okay, there is a two mode. One is model mode, one is select material editor, like this. Your may be like this. Okay, again press M and you may be like this. Okay, something like this. To change this to the compact material editor, what you can do, my material editor is giving me a weird view. I mean this one. So you just go to the models, you select this is the select material editors. Look on the left side, select material editor. You just go to the compact material editor. So the material editor is changed. Okay, and then you may be like this, only 6 ball is there, only 6 sphere is there. So you may right click and do the sample window is 6 by 4, 6 by 4, like this. So you have a total of 24 sphere or ball, material ball there. Okay, so the thing is like this. Okay, okay, okay. Now with the material editor is open, you have to apply the material. So what you can do, this is number 1 to up to 24. This is number 1, the number 2, number 3, number 4. Okay, so let's say the number 1 I have to apply on this. Okay, what you can do, you can drag and drop the material on the texture. That is the one way. Let's say you have to, let's say this one is by default is standard. As you can see here, the standard by default, it should be standard. Okay, you can change the color. By default it's a gray color. You can change the color. Let's say change the color from the diffuse option. So you can go to the diffuse box right here, the box, this one, click on the gray, so a color box is appeared here, right here. So let's say I want to give it a red color. So just something like this. Notice that the material is changing. Okay, now it's red. So you can apply, you have to apply on the box. So either you can drag and drop it like this, or what you can do, you can select it, and there is a button called assign material to the selection. You see assign material to the selection, click on it. Okay, then you have the material. Okay, so this is the material. You see this is different from the object color. You see the object color is still green. Okay, object color is still green, but the material color is red. You see the material color is red. Okay, so this is the first part. I just have to continue in the second part. So this is the first part of the material editor. I will be available in a second part. So hope you are watching it and enjoying it and continuing it in the second part. Thank you very much. Keep supporting me. Keep supporting my channel. Thank you.